Muscle pain after exercise is common. But what if the muscle pain doesn't go away or keeps coming back? Hi, I'm Dr. Tony Setiobudi. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Mount Elizabeth Hospital in Singapore. And today, let's discuss about why muscle pain after exercise is not always normal and when you should need to pay attention. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe it now.
Is muscle soreness after exercise generally normal?
Yes, it is generally normal. So we feel muscle soreness when we do exercise with certain intensity. So what happened? The muscle fiber has microscopic damage which trigger inflammation and repair. And this is how you get your muscle stronger.
Why does muscle pain sometimes appear 1 or 2 days after exercise?
Actually, this delay is classic, and the muscle pain peaks between 24 to 72 hours after intense exercise. This is not due to the buildup of lactic acid, but it is due to microscopic damage to the muscle fiber, inflammation, and also water retention.
When does muscle pain become a red flag and require medical attention?
So if the pain doesn't get better after 2 or 3 days, then you need to see a doctor. There are a few instances where you need to see a doctor. Number 1, the muscle pain does not get better after few days. Number 2, if there is any redness, swelling, and warmth, this may be an infection. The next one is weakness. You have muscle weakness, then take it seriously. And if your urine become dark, you pass urine, the color is like Coke or tea, then you need to be careful. This is a sign of rhabdomyolysis. It's a serious medical condition which can cause kidney damage.
How can muscles recover after an injury or trauma?
There are phases of muscle recovery. Number 1, the acute phase. Usually the first 1 to 3 days. It is important to rest, to put ice, and to avoid movement that trigger the pain. The second phase is called early repair phase after acute phase. Usually 3 days to 7 days after the initial injury. It is important to start moving gently, but don't move too aggressively that trigger the pain. So the key here must be gentle. For example, isometric exercise. You can contract the muscle without moving the joint. The next one is the late repair phase. In this phase, you can start doing strengthening exercise and gradually increase the activities and the intensity back to normal.
Is rest alone enough to heal a muscle injury?
Not usually. Rest is important in the early phase, but progressive rehabilitation is essential. Muscle tear will heal better with guided movement and strengthening exercise. This helps to realign the muscle fiber and to regain function. The important element here is guided movement and strengthening. You cannot do it too aggressively, that may worsen the initial damage.
What about the no pain, no gain principle? Is it actually normal or healthy?
This idea is often misunderstood. Normal discomfort is actually expected, but you should not use pain as a goal. You should not use pain as an indicator of a successful workout. Excessive pain is not normal and it should be avoided.
Why do some people feel worse when they try to exercise again?
There are a few reasons. Maybe they go back to exercise too soon or increase intensity too fast, and sometimes poor movement mechanics. The last one is very important. The injury has not completely healed. So make sure if you have injury, let it heal first before you start intense exercise again.
Do supplements actually help with muscle recovery?
Some may help, but they are not essential. For example, high protein diet can support the repair. Creatine may aid recovery and performance. and omega-3 may reduce inflammation. However, the key to good recovery is enough sleep, good hydration, and adequate rest. So now you know that muscle pain after exercise is not always normal. Pay attention when you need to take it seriously. Thank you so much for listening. Again, if you are new to my channel, please help me to subscribe now. If you have any questions about muscle injury or other topics, you can write it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye bye.